In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Please use Workbench with a random color option, a 768 by 768 pixel resolution, and please disable the composite nodes. I'll create a simple scene with two planes, a cylinder and a sphere. In edit mode, select the top face, type E and press Enter to settle. Type S to scale, and type G as in Georgian, Z as in zebra to move the face upward like this. Let's repeat the extrude process once again. Please render the image and import it in Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please remember to set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. Let's try image to image. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.